Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys extremely well. Today we are discussing some TT questions. Vygotsky theories. So let's we start. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So first question is. First question is, which is based on Vygotsky socio-cultural theory. So option is first is operant conditioning, second is reciprocal teaching, third one is culture natural cognitive development, fourth one is insight learning, and the answer is reciprocal teaching. Next question, when children learn a concept and use it, practice help in reducing the errors committed by them. This idea was given by, and the option is Thorndike, Piaget, Watson, Vygotsky, and the answer is Thorndike. Next question, Vygotsky emphasized the significance of the role played by which of the factors in the learning of children, and the option is for first is heredity, second is moral, third one is physical, fourth one is social, and the answer is social. Next question, thought not only determines language but also predicts it, was an idea put forward by, and the option is Piaget, Kohlberg, Vygotsky, Pavlov, and the answer is Piaget. Next question, according to socio-cultural theory of Vygotsky, first is culture and language play a crucial role in development. Second is the child thinks in different domains and does not take a complete perspective. Third one is children think in abstract terms if presented abstract material at a lower age. Fourth one is self directed speech is lowest stage of the scaffold, and the answer is first. Culture and language play a crucial role in development. Next question, Vygotsky emphasized the significance of the role played by which of the factors in the learning of children. Option is physical, social, heredity, and moral, and the answer is social. Next question, in Vygotsky theory, which aspect development got neglected? And the option is social, cultural, biological, and linguistic, and the correct answer is biological. Next question, a, a teacher wishes to help her students to appreciate multiple views of a situation. She provides her students multiple opportunities to debate on this situation in different groups. According to Vygotsky perspective, her students will dash various views and develop multiple perspective of the situation on their own. And the option is internalize, construct, operationalized. Fourth one is rationalize. And the answer is second, construct. Next question. Which statement best summarize the relationship between development and learning as proposed by Vygotsky? And the option is first is development is independent of learning. Second is development process links behind the learning process. Third one is development is synonymous with learning process. Fourth one is learning and development are parallel process. And the answer is option number 4. Learning and development are parallel process. Next question. A major difference between the perspective of Vygotsky and Piaget pertains to. And the option is first is their critique of behavioristic principles. Second is the role of providing a nourishing environment to children. Third one is their views about language and thoughts. Fourth one is the conception of children as active constructor of knowledge. And the answer is option number third, their views about language and thoughts. Next. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.